Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can design the first part of the connecting rod of the V12 car engine in SolidWorks, okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solid Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to click on New, then Part, then you click on OK. Next, right click on the top plan, Normal 2, right click Sketch. I'm gonna draw a circle of 38 millimeter here. Another circle of 70 millimeter here. I'm gonna add a center line here. I'm gonna draw a circle (22 millimeter here. Another circle of 35 millimeter here. And the distance between this point and this point is 155. Click on OK. I'm gonna add a line like this. Now I'm gonna press Ctrl, click on this line, then this circle, tangent relation. I'm gonna do the same thing here and here. Then I'm gonna do the same thing, press Ctrl on this line, then this circle, then tangent, then you click on OK. Now I'm gonna click on this line, then I'm gonna go to mirror entities. For the mirror about will be this center line. Then you click on OK. Now I'm gonna go and use the trim entities. You remove this line, this line, this line, this, and this. You're gonna do the same thing here. Now I'm gonna add a line here. Okay, and the distance between this line and the center line will be 30 millimeter like this. Okay, click on OK. Next, I'm gonna click on this line, then mirror entities, then mirror about. I'm gonna use this center line. Okay. I'm gonna add a line like this here, and I'm gonna use the trim entities. I'm gonna delete this part of the circle, this, and this part of the circle, this line, this part of the circle, and this line, this part of the circle, this line, this, like, you need to focus a little bit. Then I come back here. Gonna trim entities again, like this. Like, take your time, focus. Okay, like this. I'm gonna remove this part. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna click on OK. I'm gonna go and use the sketch fillet. I'm gonna add a fillet of 30 millimeter here. I'm gonna do the same thing here also. Okay, and here I'm gonna add a fillet of 100 millimeter. I'm gonna do the same thing here, then you click on OK. Now I'm gonna click OK here. I'm gonna exit the workbench, then I'm gonna go and use the extrude boss or base. I'm gonna add 5.5 for the first direction, 5.5 millimeter for the second direction. I'm gonna add also 5.5 millimeter, then you click on OK. Great. Now I'm gonna go right click here, normal 2, right click sketch. I'm gonna add a circle. The dimension will be 42 millimeter, and I'm gonna add another circle of 38 millimeter. Okay, I'm gonna add a line like this. I'm gonna use the trim entities. Then okay, then I'm gonna exit the workbench. Now I'm gonna use the extruded boss or base, 3 millimeter here. Okay, now I'm gonna click on the boss extruded 2. I'm gonna use the mirror. For the mirror face or plan, it will be the top plan. Then you click on OK. I'm gonna get something like this. Okay, now right click here, normal 2, right click, sketch. I'm gonna draw a circle of 70 millimeter. Okay, then I'm gonna draw another circle here, a circle of 35 millimeter. I'm gonna press Ctrl, this circle and this edge, concentric, then OK. Now I'm gonna add a line like this. Okay, now I'm gonna press Ctrl, this line, then this edge. Then I'm gonna click on parallel. Okay, and the dimension between this line and this edge will be 5 millimeter. Okay, now I'm gonna add a center line here like this. I'm gonna press this line, then mirror entities, then the mirror about will be the center line. So I click it on this line. I use it, the center line, as a mirror about. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna go and use the trim entities. I'm gonna remove this part of the circle, these two lines, this part of the circle, these two lines, and I'm gonna click OK, then exit the workbench. I'm gonna use the extruded cut. I'm gonna add a cut of 3 millimeter. I'm gonna select the cut, mirror, then I'm gonna use the top plan as a mirror face or plan, then you click on OK. Great. Now I'm gonna click here, right click, normal 2, right click, then face. I'm gonna add a circle, and the dimension of the circle will be 5 millimeter. Okay, and the distance between the center of the circle and this point will be 26 millimeter. I'm gonna exit the workbench. I'm gonna use the extruded cut, and the cut will be through all, then OK. I'm gonna click on this cut, mirror, and mirror using the right plan, then OK. Now I'm gonna do the same thing here, right click, normal 2, right click, sketch. I'm gonna add a circle of 7 millimeter. Okay, and the distance between this center of the circle and here is 26. Okay, now what we're gonna do is to exit the workbench. Then I'm gonna go and use the extruded cut, and from sketch plan to offset, and here we're gonna add 20 millimeter. Change direction, then from blind to through all, then you click on OK. Great. Now click on the cut extrude 3, mirror, and the mirror face or plan will be the right plan, then you click on OK. Now what we're gonna do is to use fillet, and we're gonna add here 1 millimeter. I'm gonna select this edge, this, edge, this one by one, like I am doing here. Okay, like this. Then you click on OK. You're gonna do the same thing in the other side. You click on fillet, 1 millimeter here. You select this edge, this, and this part, this edge, this edge, this edge, then this edge. Then you click on OK. Great. Now what we're gonna do is to use the chamfer. We're gonna add a chamfer of 1 millimeter, and the chamfer of 1 millimeter will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you click on OK. Now you click on chamfer again. You click on this edge, then this edge, also here and here. Then you click on OK. So, okay, great. Now we're gonna add another fillet, and this fillet is 2 millimeter. You click on this edge, then this edge, then you click on OK. Great. So as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can create the first part of the connecting rod of the V12 car engine in SolidWorks. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Savvy Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.